Welcome to the news of the day. The US, Afghanistan, Pakistan, and Uzbekistan have agreed in principle to establish a new quadrilateral diplomatic platform focused on enhancing regional connectivity. The Haryana government will soon introduce the One Block, One Product scheme to encourage and promote small industries in the rural areas. Noted down, Haryana capital is Chandigarh, its governor is Bandaru Dattareya, and its CM is Manohar Lal Khattar. The monk fruit from China, which is known for its properties as a non-caloric natural sweetener, was introduced for field trials in Kullu, Himachal Pradesh. Noted down, Himachal Pradesh Governor is Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar. Its CM is Jai Ram Thakur. Indian Olympic Association has appointed retired IPS officer B.K. Sinha as press attaché of Olympic contingent at Tokyo Games. Noted down, Indian Olympic Association president is Narayana Ramchandra. It was founded on 1927. Microsoft acquires cybersecurity firm RiskIQ for $500 million. Noted down, Microsoft CEO and chairman is Satya Nadella. Its headquarters is in Washington, US. 35% of India's tiger ranges are outside protected areas, and human-animal conflicts affects over 75% of the world's white cat species, according to Worldwide Fund for Nature UNEP report. Noted down, World Wide Fund for Nature headquarters is in Switzerland. IIT Madras develops artificial intelligence algorithm called NB Driver. Google Cloud has announced the launch of its new cloud region in Delhi NCR. Noted down, Google CEO is Sundar Pichai. It was founded on 4 September 1998, California, US. And the founders are Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Bangladeshi Nobel Peace Prize winner Muhammad Yunus will receive the Olympic laurel at the Tokyo Games. Director Payal Kapadia, A Night of Knowing Nothing, won the Golden Eye Award for Best Documentary at the 74th Cannes Film Festival. Two Indian organizations, Aadhi Malai Producer Company Limited and Sneha Kunja Trust, won UNDP Equator Prize. Former RBI Governor Bimal Jalan writes a new book titled The Indian Story. Lewis Hamilton wins British Grand Prix 2021. Nelson Mandela International Day celebrated on 18th of July. The Common High Court of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and Union Territory of Ladakh has been officially renamed as the High Court of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Noted down, Lieutenant Governor of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir is Manoj Sinha and Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh is Radha Krishna Mathur. That's all for today. For more updates, follow us on Instagram and YouTube.